We're going to some waterfalls in El Salvador. These are the chuchos of the tourism office.
Un nombre, un apellido, el país.
This is the waterfall we're going to. Now they're telling us about the tour. ¿Puedo pagarte ahora? Sí. De $10. Just told us that we can get started on the tour. Their chucho. They said it'll be like a 20 or 30 minute hike down. Really beautiful views the whole way. Now walking on a trail, hiking down for a while. It's starting to get pretty hot. Really beautiful little field. Walking up to the first waterfall now. There's quite a strong waterfall right there. This is the first waterfall. It's really strong. Everyone's going for a swim. It's really nice here. We're just hanging out in the field waiting for everyone to get back.
¿Conoces esta planta?
¿De qué es eso?
¿Esta que está aquí?
Esta
Mira,
planta.
si la tocas así,
Sí.
se duerme.
Wow. ¿En serio?
Sí, mira, ¿ves? Vamos esta que está aquí. ¿Esta? Mira.
Okay.
Yeah, you could say.
Now we're walking to the next spot. It's a trail on the way. There's a waterfall, Chucho. Now we're walking back up. That was a really good trip.